Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. We're gonna make an igloo today. So what you're gonna need is a paper plate, white Play-Doh, and a little white craft tube. This could be like a toilet paper tube, a paper towel tube, and if it's not white, you can paint it white. What you're gonna do first is you're gonna take your little tube and you're gonna cut it in half. This is gonna be the entrance to our igloo. Now I'm gonna use the inside rim of our plate here to be my circle guide. That's how big my igloo is gonna be. So I'm gonna stick this right at the entrance like that. Now I'm gonna take my Play-Doh and I'm just gonna take little pieces and I'm gonna form it into almost like little rectangle cubes. And I'm gonna go all the way around my circle like that. Now, this takes a lot of time. So if you have a lot of time to work on this, fantastic. But it's also a great idea to bring some friends in to help. I brought two of my friends to help me today. They're gonna help me make some bricks so that I can put it around my igloo. So again, we're just gonna take a little pinch. We're gonna shape it into like a little rectangle shape and stick it on the edge of the circle. This is a fun day of work, huh? All right, I'm gonna lay the last brick in our outside circle, and then we're gonna have to start on our second layer because we're gonna make like a dome shape. That's what an igloo is. So the next layer, you take your little brick and you wanna stick it on the inside of that first layer. Like that, so a little bit is sticking out over the edge. Whoops, try again, that's okay. There we go. You also don't want to forget to go over the top of the entrance. So we can go over the top here. If your Play-Doh is having a hard time sticking together, you can spray it with a little bit of water. All right, we have the second layer done. Now we're gonna continue to the third layer and all the other layers. Each layer, you're just placing it a little bit more on the inside. All right, so we had a little bit of an issue with our igloo kind of collapsing in, so we had to reinforce it by sticking some tissue paper in there to hold up the inside. If you have a ball or a little cup or toothpicks even, if your igloo is starting to collapse in, go ahead and put something inside to help reinforce it. Nice. I think it really would be cute if you showed us like smiling and laughing and having fun doing this together. I think that's the last one. We have our igloo. What do you think? So much fun, and I'm so glad my friends came to help me today. If you want to do more fun activities, you should check out our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments, and you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.